world right now. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I have a Ace Hardened uh, padlock locked up in the vase here. Um, I just got sent this by Jason Carlson. The bidding is not so on it. Um, I thought it was a very security lock when I got it yesterday. I mentioned it, so I gotta correct it. I don't know if there's any security pins in the Ace hardware. Um, it's awful late. I'm gonna see if I can do if I can pick this real quick. Um, I'm gonna also be using my AM5 leashy tool, which I don't know. I need a lot of practice on this baby. You know what? I hear the other leashy tools are much easier to use than this one. I do have the handsome Chinese guy on there. Yeah, that's him. Long hee ho. Um, and I don't know. I'm just not having real good with the leashy, so I haven't tried picking this with leashy yet. I picked it once with this regular pick. So now I'm going to try something different. It's got the American keyway in there. What am I doing wrong here? Let me move this around here. Okay, maybe it's not going to work with the leashy tool. It's got the American keyway. I don't know why not. I mean, it doesn't matter. Um, I need practice on the AM5 anyway. I'm gonna rake it open. Yeah, right. Fooled y'all. Um, go with a nice hook here. And I think I'll go with the top of the keyway and see what we can do. I got so blasted by all my good lockpicking buddies about the, what do you want to call it? I'm not going to say because I don't want to hit the easy button there. Um, but I don't get that rush when I open a lock with a wave break. Um, but I want to be able to do it. So I mean, there's a difference there. You know what? I never thought I could open dimple picks before, and all of a sudden now I'm raking them open, which is blowing me away. Um, I'd rather know how to rake a dimple lock pick open than sit there and look at it and go, I can't pick this. So I'll get the signal picking on them. Um, but it's just nice to know that I can open a lock. You know what I mean? All right, so from the beginning here, uh, I think this is a 1.2 millimeter. Let's hope it is. Okay, one, slight click on two, let's click on three, that was four, let's see what we got here. No, wait a minute. All right, that was four. I don't feel nothing on four. I thought I did. That was five. Nothing on six. Took at a one. A little bit of movement there. Cook out a two. I feel a little counter rotate. There you go. Okay, I felt it on my fingers. I didn't see it move, but it's two, 3. I can feel the vibration through the lock, but I don't want to put my finger against it. That's just me. 4 is nothing. 5 is binding, but I'll pass on that. Nothing on 6. Okay. A little teeny click out of 1. Click out of 2. Click out of 3. 4. Nice click out of 5. Nothing on 6. I don't feel nothing on 6, so I don't think we have 6 pins in here. 1, 2, 3. Click out of 4. Oop, oop, oop. Get back in there. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tension wrench keeps falling. This is probably a 1.0mm wrench. I was supposed to be using a 2. My bag. 4, nothing on 4. That was 5. Nothing on 6. At the beginning. 1. Nice click out of 1. 2. You know what? I don't know if this is going to help or not, but this is that wire in the way, but I'm using it to look. Maybe it'll help you guys see. 2. We'll click out of 3. 4. Oh, that felt good there. Thought I had it. Go with the tall one here. Keeps on falling out. Excuse me, let me get a 2mm here. This is 1mm. This is a 1.2. Much better. Get this damn thing out of the way. You got skulls falling down on me. All right. 1. Small click out of 2. 3. 4 is binding, a little counter rotation. And I got you, baby. Open. There you go.
That was easy.
It wasn't easy, but it was fun, wasn't it? I didn't say any nasty words or nothing.
That was easy.
No, I wasn't asking that. I was asking if I said any nasty words.
That was easy.
Well, fuck you then. Shut up. This is the ace. Oh, I'm stupid when I make myself laugh. The ace.